Hello everyone and welcome to Portugal. My name is Yana Gracio, and today with the Cefic team we will be visiting Bondalti to learn more about their battery energy storage systems project. The chemical industry is currently undergoing its biggest transformation in history as we go climate neutral, circular, digital, and transition to safe and sustainable chemicals. On this path, moving to alternative energy sources will be crucial. So let's go and meet the Bondalti team to learn more about what that means for their operations on the ground. Here I am with Teresa Marques of Bondalti. First of all, thank you very much for having us here. Can you tell us a little bit more about yourself?
Well, first of all, thank you for being here. It's a pleasure to receive you at Bondalti. My name is Teresa Marques. I'm an electrotechnical engineer. I'm responsible for the areas of energy and production planning at Bondalti at a corporate level. This means that I'm the responsible for the energy procurement strategy, for the energy transition strategy as well, and for energy efficiency and also energy management, because everything that's related to energy is my responsibility at an Iberian level.
Can we go see the project?
Yeah, let's go. Come on.
Teresa, can you tell us where we are exactly?
So Jana, we are inside the chlorine plant at Estarreja site. Bondalti is located at the chemical complex in Estarreja, where we are producing chlorine and aniline on a nearby plant. Actually, what you are seeing here is the process of production of chlorine, which is an electrolyzer, which is also so much in fashion these days. In this electrolyzer, what we do is we pick on brine, we pass it through electricity, and we produce chlorine, hydrogen, and caustic soda that we sell to the market. But as you can see, this is a big equipment and it's a very big consumer of electricity. Electricity is more than 50% of the production costs. So actually electricity is key for our competitiveness.
Electricity is a very big part of your production process, which is why Bondalti installed the battery storage systems. Can you tell us a bit about your role in the project?
Indeed, electricity is a very key component of our production costs. Here at Bondalti, we are actually building an entire strategy for energy sourcing, where the batteries have a very important role. In terms of projects, me and my team, we are responsible for the idea, for the business case, and for the approval of final decision investment. After being built, we are going to be responsible for guaranteeing the optimal use of the batteries in order to reduce costs at Bondalti.
Here we are in front of your solar park. There is something important that you wanted to tell me about it.
As I told you previously, energy is very important for us. It represents a huge cost on our competitiveness. So we have a very big challenge ahead to have competitive energy price and also to be sourced 100% by renewable sources by 2030.
2030, that's really soon.
Yeah, and if you think that you will also have to handle intermittency of the grid, meaning that you'll have to have a stable electricity power supply when the wind is not blowing or the sun is not shining, and you still have to consume renewable electricity, the challenge is very big.
And how does the battery storage system help you?
Well, Jana, we work in continuous mode. We need energy all the time, so the battery will help us store energy when there's excess energy, when the energy is more cheap, to be using it when there's no renewable energy available or when the energy is more expensive.
How does this project contribute to the transition?
Well, this battery will allow us to provide services to the network grid by enabling it to be more stable and provide energy with more quality to all customers in Portugal. We are doing this type of services for a long time and with success, and we believe we should be part of the solution and still be contributing to this kind of services.
And how much electricity does the battery store?
So this will be a lithium-ion battery storage system of 12 megawatts capacity. 12 megawatts is enough to feed a small town, but for us, on our industrial capacity, is still very small, and will allow us to test the use cases of the battery and help us understand how we can improve it and scale up the project.
Implementing a project like this, it must have come with some challenges. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
We have a lot of challenges. First, this is a pioneer project in Portugal, and we are learning step by step how to overcome all the obstacles that we face. Another challenge is that although the investment is high, the return on investment is uncertain, so this poses a big risk for the company. And last but not least, we have to comply with all the regulatory framework that is constantly evolving in Portugal and Europe.
Thank you so much for everything. Is there anything else that you want to add? Any final remarks?
Bondalti is highly committed to the energy transition. For that to happen, we need a stable regulatory framework that combines competitiveness with the climate goals.
Thanks for tuning in. I hope you had as much fun watching this video as we did filming it. Stay tuned for more, and if you're curious to find out what other companies are doing towards the transition, check out our website and follow us on social media.